In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add indicator to Ctrader. First, open Ctrader and load any symbol you want to analyze. It can be a forex pair, an index, a stock, or a commodity. What matters is that you have a live chart on your screen. If you're new to the platform, you can pick a symbol from the watch list panel and double-click it to open the chart. Choose a time frame that fits your trading plan so the indicator calculations make sense for your context. At the top of the chart, look for the indicator's icon. It usually looks like a small graph line and sits alongside tools like drawing and timeframes. Click it to open the indicators window. You'll see categories such as trend, oscillators, volatility, and volume. If you already know the name of the tool you want, use the search bar to find it quickly. Otherwise, browse the categories to explore what's available. When you've found the indicator you want, select it to preview its basic description and parameters. Then add it to the chart. Some indicators, like moving average or Bollinger Bands, plot directly over the price. Others, like RSI or MACD, open in a separate panel below the chart. That's expected, and Ctrader will handle it automatically. Before you confirm, take a moment to configure the settings. Adjust the period or length to control how responsive the indicator is. Choose the price source, such as close or typical price, and select smoothing types if available. Customize colors, line thickness, and styles so the indicator is easy to read against your chart theme. If the indicator supports levels like 30 and 70 on RSI, set them here. Some tools also let you specify which time frames to display on, which helps keep your chart clean. When everything looks right, apply the changes and the indicator will appear. If you need to manage or remove indicators, it's simple. Click the indicator's name or icon on the chart or in its panel to reopen settings and fine-tune values. You can hide an indicator temporarily without deleting it, which is useful for quick comparisons. To remove one, open the indicators list from the same toolbar button or right-click the chart and choose the indicator to delete. You can also reorder multiple indicators, resize panels by dragging their borders, and reset styles if your chart gets cluttered. As a final tip, once you've set up a combination you like, consider saving your layout or template so you can apply the same indicators to other symbols in seconds. And that's it. Your indicator is added, configured, and ready to guide your analysis in Ctrader.